The sun beats down on the empty lot, the only sound being the distant hum of cars on a nearby highway. But in my mind, I see the finished product, a gleaming apartment complex, tenants lined up to sign leases, money rolling in. That's the allure of real estate investing, the promise of turning a barren plot of land into cash flow. But before you can start reaping the rewards, you need to understand the basics. How do you find the right property? How do you finance it? How do you manage it? These are the questions I will answer in this video. But first, let me tell you a story about my first real estate investment. I was just a young financial advisor, eager to branch out on my own. I found a rundown duplex in a transitioning neighborhood. Convinced the owner to sell it to me for pennies on the dollar, and with the help of some handy friends, turned it into a profitable rental property. It wasn't easy, and I made plenty of mistakes along the way, but it was the start of my real estate investing journey. So, are you ready to start yours? To understand the ins and outs of real estate investing and begin your journey to financial freedom. As I walked through the dilapidated neighborhood, I couldn't help but think about how much potential it had. The houses were run down and in need of repairs, but with a little bit of TLC, they could be transformed into beautiful, livable homes. That's when I decided to take the plunge and invest in my first rental property. I remember the feeling of excitement mixed with nerves as I signed the paperwork and officially became a landlord. But as I began to make repairs and renovate the property, I quickly realized that real estate investing wasn't just about buying a house and collecting rent. It was about understanding the market, finding the right properties, and constantly learning and adapting to stay ahead of the game. One of the most important things I learned early on was the power of location. I was first interested in this neighborhood because it had a lot of potential, but I soon found out that it wasn't as nice as I had thought. By doing research and learning about the local market, I was able to find homes in more desirable areas that could be rented for more money. I also learned the importance of diversifying my portfolio. I initially invested all of my money in one property, but when the housing market took a downturn, I found myself in a difficult situation. I had to learn the hard way that spreading my investments across multiple properties and different markets helped to reduce risk and ensure a steady stream of income. These are just a few of the lessons I've learned as a real estate investor, and I've found that the key to success is constantly educating yourself and staying on top of the market. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn and ways to improve your investment strategies. As I walked through the crumbling brick buildings, the peeling paint and broken windows a stark contrast to the gleaming skyscrapers just blocks away, I couldn't help but think about the potential hidden within. This was my first experience with a fixer-upper property, and it sparked a passion in me for finding overlooked gems and turning them into profitable investments. One of the most important things to understand about real estate investing is the concept of cash flow. Simply put, cash flow is the money that comes in from rental income minus the money that goes out for expenses such as mortgage payments, property management, and repairs. It's crucial to have a positive cash flow, as it means the property is generating more income than it's costing you to own it. I learned this lesson the hard way when I bought a property that looked like a great deal on paper. The rent was high and the mortgage payments were low, but I didn't factor in the cost of repairs and renovations. Before I knew it, I was sinking thousands of dollars into the property every month and barely breaking even. But the beauty of real estate investing is that it's a game of numbers. If one property isn't performing well, you can always sell it or refinance it and use the proceeds to invest in another property that will generate better returns. It's important to remember that you are in this for the long haul, so one bad investment doesn't have to be the end of the story. It's also important to remember that real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes patience, research, and a lot of hard work to find the right properties and make them profitable. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, the rewards can be significant. I've been able to turn my interest in real estate investing into a successful career and a portfolio of properties that bring in steady passive income. And I'm excited to share what I've learned with you, so that you can start building your own real estate empire. As we come to the end of our journey to understand the basics of real estate investing, I want to leave you with a few final thoughts. First and foremost, always do your due diligence. Research, research, research. Know the market, know the property, and know the numbers. Real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and hard work. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be tremendous. Another key point to remember is to always have a plan. Have a strategy and stick to it. Whether you're flipping houses or buying and holding rental properties, having a plan will keep you on track and help you reach your goals. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Seek out mentors, join real estate investing groups, and surround yourself with people who have experience and knowledge in the field. Their guidance and advice can be invaluable. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to understanding and getting started with real estate investing. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart and profitable investments. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, be sure to check out other videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.